So let's see if this cococake.co is this a scam website, or will you receive these products or not, or they will be high quality reps or not. So let me tell you about all these, but let's start with checking other websites. So first of all, if you will check their Instagram page, you will see on their Instagram page they have given their exact, you will see their handle is same, and also they have given this website link also. This is good, but if you will check other websites, there are many websites very same exact copy of each other. You will see this is cocokick.com. This is also having Instagram page, but the Instagram page handle name is different, and also you will see on the handle name they have written cocokick.vip, and similarly this is cocokick.cc. This is also linked to same page, cocokick.vip, but this is the real website cocokicks.vip, and this is the real account linked with it. So literally 50 to 60 websites are there with the same name. You can see this is cocokick.shop. This is also having another account, Instagram account. So it's very much hodgepodge. Now what's the issue with this? The issue is they can easily copy paste. All the products are copy pasted, each and everything is copy pasted. They can easily copy paste these screenshots also, and you might think that they are legit screenshots and this is the legit website, but let me tell you about this. So if you will check on Reddit, this is review of cocoquick.vip. So but here you will find that people are saying that this is legit and they have a good quality products. So that is a good thing. But if you will see cocoquick.top, this is also having some good reviews, and some are saying that they are not good. You can buy from another website, and here all of them you will see this is another website, this is another review, and here you will see most of the people are saying that they are very bad, they are not good, and what people are suggesting you, and all of them are saying just buy from the established sellers section. So what you can exactly do, instead of buying from that website, you can click on the link in the description, and you can go here on this post. This sub has around 700k followers, so this is not a scam or another thing. And you can check the established sellers link. You can see these are the list. You can check all of these websites, and these are real websites. You will also get comments of people here saying if they worked or not. You can check here also news. You can sort comments by new and check if these worked or not. Some people are saying, most of them are saying that these are good quality on these established sellers. You can buy from there. I will give you the link in the description.